In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Backbone controller away from home. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase the only method currently available to use your Backbone controller away from home and play games natively on your console. So this is going to work specifically for PlayStation. I cannot guarantee that there are other methods out there, but this one is the most well-known and one officially supported by Backbone. So as you can see here, what they have available on their website is this post: play your PlayStation games from virtually anywhere with ease. So the only requirements for this are a stable internet connection, which can also be mobile data on your mobile device, and that your PlayStation console stays on during your gameplay session. So, depending on your circumstances, this might not be possible. Another thing that I want to make very clear is that I cannot guarantee that you will be able to go super far away from your home, but if you are close, nearby the street, you should be able to play regardless. Especially if you are inside of the same home where the PlayStation console is located and on the same network, you will get the best results possible. So, all that you have to do is download the latest version of the PlayStation Remote Play mobile app. This is going to give you a warning that you have to set up Remote Play on the console beforehand. So if you haven't done it already, go over to your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, access the system settings, and make sure that Remote Play is enabled. Once Remote Play is good to go and enabled, go back into the mobile app and finish the setup process. Choose between PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4, and it is going to start looking for connections nearby. Once it connects to the console, you should see all of your games and you will be able to control the HUD, change the menus, and all of that stuff using only the Backbone. So to my knowledge, this is the only way to use the Backbone while away from your console. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Backbone controller away from home. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.